I'm not a sovereign citizen, but, like, I should become one. That'd be funny, right? If I just, like, became, like, a sovereign citizen Twitch streamer, I don't know.
Twitch, you can't make you pay income tax.
You know what the word opinion means?
Our United States judicial system
Because the income only means when the things come in, and therefore the bank account movement is not physical. There is neither an in nor out. Therefore, I have no income for you to tax. That's exactly what sovereign citizens do. That's all they fucking do, is they just play fucking semantics with words and laws. Do they get away with it? It really depends.
According to the traffic code, okay, let's look at the traffic code. I have read the traffic code. The traffic code states that all traffic laws are for people operating a commercial vehicle. I am not operating.
They do this. They do this so much. I am not operating a commercial vehicle. I am traveling. This is not a commercial economic activity.
Operating a commercial vehicle. This is not a commercial vehicle. I am not operating a commercial vehicle at all.
Sir, let me see
I
your
do
driver's
not
license
have
and
to
your
have
insurance.
a commercial vehicle. I do not have to operate it with a license with a commercial vehicle or anything like that. That's fine. Y'all are going.
I need to see your driver's license, please.
Then we have another cop pulling up, and I'm
Sir!
sitting here asking
Sir!
him the same
What
thing.
is
I
your
need
name?
you to stand down and get your.
Open your window now, or I'm gonna bust it out.
Now you're going. Okay, I need you to call and I need you to get your supervisor out here. I need your supervisor out here.
They're
I
like
need your
Karens,
supervisor. I'm
but
asking
legal.
for. I am asking him for his supervisor. I am asking you for your supervisor. Okay, officer, I am asking you for your supervisor to come out here. Now you have busted my vehicle up, and now you are going to detain me. You are illegally getting into my vehicle, and now you have taken my phone.
Do they get away with it, Adam? No. No, they don't.
Ashley 108, Deputy Prosecuting Attorney for the State.
This claimant's hyphen knowledge of the facts is with the forwarding at this time and location with delivery of this message with the peace and cooperation by this peaceful hyphen volition, period. For this claimant's hyphen knowledge of the facts is with his claimant standing by this microphone of the documentation with the continuation of the evidence by this peaceful hyphen volition, period. For this claimant's hyphen knowledge of the facts is with avoidance of the boxes and the claims duties is with avoidance of the perjury.
Guys, Ashtar is in court.
With this participation by the correct hyphen sentence hyphen structure
I'm gonna go get some more water.
hyphen passe hyphen syntax hyphen grammar, period.
Hyphen syntax?
Oh yes, this is actually happening.
We're going to talk about a couple things first because what you're saying is gibberish. It's gibberish.
Yes.
What
Thank you.
you're
No further
saying
questions,
is
Your Honor.
gibberish.
Mr. Dennis, this is your opportunity to question the officer.
Yes.
Do you have any questions you would like to...
First, for this claimant's hyphen knowledge of the facts is with the claim of the prosecutor's hyphen participation with the perjury of the past hyphen time and future hyphen time and hyphen sentence hyphen structure with the usage of an adverb hyphen verb hyphen modification hyphen syntax.
Bear in mind here, this is cross-examination. He's supposed to be asking a question.
With the void of a correct hyphen now time hyphen factual hyphen statement with a salvage hyphen document by the evidence, period.
Evidence.
For this claimant's hyphen knowledge of the factual hyphen contract.
I know I'm going to get this in the comments.
hyphen
It's an interesting point. Is this guy sane? And you know, I'm not a psychiatrist. I don't know, but I think he's sane in the legal sense, and that is that he appreciates what's going on. He appreciates that he drove without a license. He disputes it, but he appreciates that's what the charge is, and he appreciates that he was supposed to be in court and wasn't, and that's a violation. Now he tries to dispute those things, saying he didn't commit any underlying offense, and that does make logical sense. The only thing that he says that makes logical sense. But I really don't think he's insane or incompetent to face trial on these charges. Even with his outlandish speech and the dress, I think he knows completely what he's doing and is really just more interested in absorbing attention than truly defending himself. It's the best I can see. But that's certainly an interesting discussion. If anyone has thoughts about that, go ahead and put it in the comment section below.
Is with the claim of the correct hyphen docking of these quo warranto hyphen complaint hyphen vessels with the office of the prosecutor with the date of tilde August hyphen 8 hyphen 2016 comma tilde December hyphen 20th hyphen 2016 comma tilde January hyphen 10.
It's quantum grammar. He has to pronounce every single piece of punctuation.
Hyphen 2017 and March hyphen 10th hyphen 2017 with this complete hyphen mail hyphen livery by this logbook hyphen documentation hyphen evidence period.
Hyphen evidence period.
Mr. Dennis, I don't believe that was a question. Did you understand that to be a question?
Again, there's two tacks you can take with this. This judge is saying, let Crazy tire himself out. Or you can take the...
I don't believe that was a question.
Mr.
This claimant hyphen knowledge of the facts is with the avoidance of this witness.
I want to strike the last question as not being a question, being vague and confusing, but I'll let you try again.
I'll let you try again.
This claimant's hyphen knowledge of the facts is with avoidance of this witness by the avoidance of the boxes of the planes and the hyphen oath with the usage of an adverb hyphen verb hyphen modification hyphen syntax with the documentation by the correct hyphen sentence hyphen structure hyphen communication hyphen passe hyphen syntax hyphen grammar period.
Oh yes, much better now. What?
And, Your Honor, State would object on the grounds that the question is overly vague.
I don't even know if it is a question.
They don't even know if it is a question.
My knowledge is with the claim of the quo warrantos and the proper documentation with the Office of the Prosecution with a correct contract with the Chief Prosecutor, Justin Colon. Period.
We will note that for the record, Mr.
We will note that
We'll
for the
note
record.
That for the record. Whatever it means.
Dennis, would you like to try and ask the officer any other questions? Right.
I like that. Like, they know they're recording, so they can just say, alright, we'll note that for the record, and it's on record, so it's noted.
I understand that to be a statement. No questions based on...
I feel really bad for the fucking court stenographer who has to write down all this shit he's saying.
Being committed is what I believe you are saying. So, Officer Rader, you can step down at this point.
Okay, so the state makes their case. He's driving without a license, and then he fails to show up in court, and they have a videotape of it, and it's not very interesting. He gives the same song and dance 3 or 4 more times, and then the state rests because they've made their case. And I'm just going to move this along so we can see him present his case.
All right, the state has rested. Mr. Dennis, this is your opportunity to present your evidence. You can call witnesses, or you can testify on your own behalf, or you can choose not to testify. Do you have any witnesses you would like to call?
Well, my claim was with a statement by my God of many names.
Well, Your Honor, I'd like to call God to the stand. If I ever have to defend myself in court, I'm calling fucking Ashtar to the stand. Wait, Adam, you didn't notice until just now that this dude is fucking dressed like Ashtar? Oh, fuck.
Knowledge is with the claim of the charge of my driving with a suspended license.
I'm just playing with the charge.
Is with the lack of my requirement of attending the court presence for my knowledge. For my knowledge is with the factual contract with the claim of the correct hyphen docking of my quo warranto hyphen complaint vessels with the Office of the Prosecutor with the date of all these offenses, beginning with the date of tilde August hyphen 8 hyphen 2016 comma tilde December 20th 2000.
The fucking state, the prosecutors are just like, all right, we don't have to do anything.
16, tilde January hyphen 10th.
It makes life more fun, doesn't it?
In March hyphen 10th hyphen 2017, with this complete hyphen mail hyphen livery by this logbook hyphen documentation hyphen evidence period.
You know, Mr. Dennis, I'm not sure I followed that.
You know, Mr. Dennis, I'm not sure I followed
There
that.
was not any evidence taken on behalf of the defense, so I don't believe there's an opportunity for rebuttal. So at this point, the evidence is completed, and I'll take argument.
Your Honor, based on the evidence and the testimony submitted today, it is clear that Mr. William Dennis was stopped, and that he did receive a citation, which indicated the hearing date for the arraignment. And furthermore, the evidence does show that on the date of the arraignment, on January 18, 2017, Mr. Dennis did not appear on that date. Therefore, he committed failure to appear pursuant to 803-6E, subsection E.
In my world, in my system, an understanding of the Constitution and the law, that I have committed no crime.
Any rebuttal argument?
None, Your Honor.
All right, court is going to make the following finding based on the evidence presented. On December 13, 2016, Mr. Dennis was given a citation by Officer Reeder. The citation instructed Mr. Dennis to appear in court on January 18, 2017 at 9:30. He was given a written copy of it, as well as Officer Reeder verbally advised him of the court date of January 18, 2017 at 9:30 a.m. On that particular court date, Mr. Dennis did not appear, as was indicated by the proceedings for that day. So the state is court's finding that the state has proved all of the material elements of the offense beyond a reasonable doubt.
Okay.
And on January 18, 2017, the County of Hawaii, State of Hawaii, William Dennis did knowingly fail to appear at a court hearing in case 5BTC 16-001414, thereby committing the offense of failure to appear in violation of section 803-0006E of the 803-6E of the Hawaii Revised Statutes.
Well, there you have it. Guilty as charged, as we all knew. The sentencing, he gets time served and a little fine or something, and prattles on in the same sort of way for a while.
Charter vessel constitution. The contract itself is a vessel. It floats through the sea of space. The guy.
What? Charter vessel constitution? The Constitution itself is a vessel and floats through the whatever.
God, oh my God. By holding up that piece of paper and then dropping it, he's claiming that that makes it a vessel, which changes its legal status from random piece of paper to vessel so that maritime law can be applied. It just doesn't even make any sense. I do want to look more into sovereign citizens on the next stream. But I should go to bed. I gotta be up early. I'm going to go lay down. I'm so sleepy. Alright. Good night, guys. I'm gonna, and I will see you not tomorrow, probably. Maybe Sunday night. Not Monday, not Tuesday. Definitely Wednesday.